Today we look into a cassette player. Fix an antenna. Go old tech. And we found Elf. Welcome to Whitby. So I thought I'd look through the albums first in this Whitby store. I'll be honest. I didn't know where the albums were in here. It's only the second time I found them. So yeah, they got a few albums. Toronto Girls Night Out. I don't think I've seen that before. But here's a singer I know. $22 for this album if you wanted to buy it on eBay. Yeah, I know most of those songs. They were asking $1.99 for it. I did buy it. It checked out at $2.20 or something like that. And I did check it. The sleeve's not great, but the record is mint, absolutely mint. On both sides as well. Absolutely mint, that record. So yeah, you even got the words on the sleeve. So it's the original sleeve and the original album. So yeah, we'll have that. Yeah. These all-in-ones, they do come up quite often. The lid won't stay up. Yeah, this is definitely pretty cheap. Pretty much on the cheaper Mundio side. 29 bucks, $30 plus tax, probably $34 out the door. I'm just wondering whether or not it all works though. It's the heads look okay. It's a raised head 210H4K2, whatever that is. The main head and the roll. Everything looks pretty good in there actually, in good condition. So this is a yeah, it's a Lloyd's, and Lloyd's make cheapy stuff, usually for Sears outlets when Sears were going. It has a little graphic equalizing looking thing. I think that's just it's just tone and bass. It looks like a graphic equalizer on that side, but it isn't. I think it's just made to look like that. So yeah, let's plug it in. And I'm not going to put speakers on this because today I couldn't find any speakers that would that were suitable, and I'm a bit short of time. So, but let's just plug it in and see if we get any lights on it. Oh, there we go. Power light. That's cool. Radio moves across, and it's showing AM, FM light there on the radio. So let's put the tape on. Which one's play? Okay, I'll show you in here. Show you in the tape. So we'll play it. You can find play. Come on. Yeah, that's the finger test. It works. It rolls. So pinch roller works. I would expect that to most likely work. What about the turntable? Oh, yeah. Well, it's already going around. That's ready for any record all the time. It's called an ever ready. No, it does turn off. Hold on, I'll show you in a minute. If I can work it out. Stop! No. Maybe it needs to finish its cycle. There we go. Finished its cycle. Comes on. And goes off. It's only 33 and 45, which is all you really need. You can see when you tune it. There, look, see? You can see it's actually getting channels, so I would expect the amplifier to work on this. They don't usually fail. $25. Ooh, NEC. Special radio. It's a T300. They're not the most expensive radio, I know, but yeah, see, it's in good condition. Everything seems to work. Well, I thought it was in good condition. It looked tidy. It's extremely dusty, but when you turn it around, I don't know whether it's because somebody's manhandled it badly in here or whether or not it's coming like this. But yeah, the antenna's been snapped off the back. It's not totally broken. It is in a socket there, and it should, with a little bit of manipulation and a steady hand, we should be able to repair this in the store. Put it back together. Yeah, it doesn't like it at that angle. I think it's just catching a little bit. So let's just pop it off and put it on at the right angle. There we go. Perfect. You would never know. It looks a bit better anyway, at least having it like that. So they might sell it without the antenna hanging off at least. Not anything I'm interested in buying myself. I've got a really nice Sansui that I want to get set up. And I don't think these NECs, they don't bring big money. It's not like it's a Marantz or anything. Let's plug it in and let's see if we can get any life out of it. So again, I've not got an amp or anything, but I would expect maybe stereo light to light up or something similar. So we'll plug it in and turn it on. There's no obvious lights coming on. See if the light comes on. Oh, there you go, light's on. It's not my light, it's the lady next to me, her light. Oh, there we go. You see, it's showing tuning that it's locked on a channel, so there's a good chance it's going to work. I think you would take a gamble for that sort of money if you were looking for a tuner, and you weren't looking for a high-end tuner or anything like a Marantz. This NEC would probably do most people, just to fit into a system. I think it looks quite nice, to be honest. Oh, there we go. It's still coming. It's still tuning. I think the higher up it goes, the stronger the signal, which is a good signal, really, for the back of this store. Like I said, I would have to stick an amp and stuff on it, so I'm not going to bother doing that. So let's have a look at the baggies today. Ooh. That's a Wii controller, the blue one. Don't know what that is. What's that? Oh, it's a Switch controller. An actual Switch controller. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, Atari. Wonder what these are for. I think the original Ataris, they would have a cable on them, one. They would with like a multi-pin plug on the end. But these are not the original Ataris. These are something a little bit different. I spent a while trying to work this out, to be honest, because I thought there would be a cable or something that would, no matter how hard I searched all the way around, there is absolutely nowhere where a cable's going to slot in on this. And then I realised these are for the flashback. $27 someone's asking for the pair. These are for the flashback, so they're probably some type of infrared or Bluetooth wireless connection, and that's why there's no cable sticking out of them, or even a plug to put a cable in. And then we come across this G-Force. Ooh, $15. That's actually not a bad price for this. I think it's sealed in the box, and if you've got an old computer that you need to get going, and you want to use a date specific what do we call this? This is a graphics card, date specific to Lara Croft 1, then yeah, you would probably be into this and buy this. GeForce 7300 GT. Nice condition, that.